Hi guys, this is Derek. Welcome to my channel. Today, please follow me to visit our factory online. I will show parts of our factory in the video. You know that the factory will be divided into different functional areas and workshops. Today, following my video, you can see a small part of our factory. This area is our product exhibition hall. This is a 5-ton off-road forklift. It is our new product, the latest technology. 4-wheel drive and rear articulated rear steering. On the right hand is another 5-ton rough-terrain forklift. It is a middle articulated forklift. It is also a new product of our factory, which has been on the market for 2 years. Most of our products are displayed here. Our partners who come to the factory will also come here to view the product they want. And different attachments are optional. Now we see it's a rotating fork. Here is our semi-finished product workshop and testing workshop. Here are forklift for semi-finished products and forklift waiting for inspection. Now it's 7 o'clock in the morning. Good morning, my friends. Our factory has been very busy all along. What you see are senses outside of working hours. Let's take a look at the laser cutting workshop. Finally, let's take a look at the warehouse for the mast and tires. The customized mast from 3 meters to 7 meters. Different tires. Inflatable tires, non-inflatable tires, and high tread tires. Okay, thank you for today. Thank you for your watching, and welcome to our factory.